And welcome back. We all breathe a sigh of relief when winter comes to an end and spring is here, but seasonal allergies can make it tough to breathe or find relief. So today, how to alleviate the suffering. Dr. Finkelston is a board-certified family physician who sees patients via the telehealth app called LiveHealth Online. Good morning to you, doctor.
Good morning.
A lot of people, it's LiveHealth, and a lot of people suffer from allergies, especially seasonal allergies. And this is about the time of year that people start to complain, right?
That's true, yeah, and I tell them through the LiveHealth Online app and website that being prepared and understanding when their allergies are going to flare really is the name of the game. Try to, beat it, basically. Clean their bedroom where they spend a lot of time, change out pillows, maybe wash heavy bedding, wash their curtains, and take inventory of their floor. Maybe that wall-to-wall carpeting needs to go. Also know where to find their local pollen forecast. That's a big one, because then they can really see real time, where or when the pollen counts are higher, what time of day, and try to avoid that.
Yeah, I think it's interesting that you say you can prevent symptoms even before they start with some of the tips that you just mentioned.
Yeah, I think that's true. If somebody has paid attention to their pattern of their allergies, they're going to know that, okay, March 30th, it usually starts kicking in for me. So maybe on, March 15th, they can start with the basics. And maybe that is even starting some of the medicines that can help or break a reaction if you're having one. For instance, nasal steroids are often a good place to start because they take a couple days to kick in anyway.
If someone is suffering from allergy symptoms, let's say they've maybe even taken some of the steps to prevent them before they start, but they're suffering, what are your suggestions to control them or help alleviate them?
Yeah, the biggest one is one that I think we always forget about, and it's the simplest, and it's salt water. So you can mix up your own saltwater solution. You can buy a pre-made formula over the counter, or you can go to the beach and go under the water. I think we all know, going underwater, that salt water really creates a runny nose and clears you temporarily at least. In addition to that, I mentioned the nasal steroids that are over the counter, and of course oral antihistamines, tried and true. There are many varieties, and if one doesn't work for you, I do suggest trying another, because sometimes it's just unique to your own, reaction. And those kick in usually within about 30 minutes to an hour.
I love that you're a fan of salt water. I use a neti pot every day, no matter what season it is, just in the morning. And I feel like, honestly, wonderful. I haven't had a sinus infection in years, and I think that's the reason why.
Wonderful. Oh, I think many people would agree with you. The other thing is with children, salt water is a great thing for them to use. I used to tell my kids to use it every time they went to the bathroom when they were, suffering with congestion.
That is wonderful. In terms of tools available to help people who are suffering from allergies, what do you suggest there?
Thankfully, there are a lot of products and tools that consumers can use. A live video visit like LiveHealth Online is a great solution for real-time, face-to-face conversation about the burden of your disease with the doctor. And consumers can go to LiveHealth Online and they can use their smartphone, their tablet, or a computer with a webcam to talk to a U.S.-based board-certified physician just like myself whenever they want, comfort of their home, if they're traveling. And this is available 365 days of the year, 24/7 for them, so very convenient. The doctors can assess most common medical problems like allergies and upcoming bug bites and skin irritations, as well as flus, sinusitis, etc. And the visits are really driven by you when it's comfortable for you. And in Wisconsin, with Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield and its sister programs, a LiveHealth Online visit is a covered benefit for most members.
Doctor, thank you so much for your time today. We certainly appreciate it.
Happy to be here, and go to LiveHealthOnline.com for more information. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks again. And now